Hello, in this video tutorial I will show you how to use the A to B loop feature. So this feature will allow to loop a portion of a video between point A and point B. So for example, as you can see, point A it's at second 19 and point B it's at second 22, and if we play it, the video, if you look here at the time, will loop between those 2 points. The points can be adjusted as you like. So this feature was requested by a few clients of mine, so I decided to implement it. So yeah, this is what it does, and now I will show you how to use it in WordPress. So when let's close this console. When a video is added, I already have a video here, so I'll just leave it. I'll just leave this one. There is an option here, use A to B loop. Make sure you set it to yes, and if you don't need it, set it to no. If this option is set to yes, this button will appear in the control bar and it will allow to use the player. As you can see, if we go to this video, the button disappears because in this video doesn't have enabled this feature. So if you go back, this button is back here. So make sure you set this to yes, and in the general settings, let's create a new preset. I'll call it test, and the only change that I will make it in this section into A to B loop settings. The use A to B loop has to be set to yes. So this feature, it's basically a plugin. It's not part of the script because I didn't want to add more weight to the script. It doesn't make any sense. So if this is enabled, the plugin is actually loaded as a separate JavaScript file. So keep in mind, if you don't want this, just leave it to no. This way the player will load a bit faster. So let's leave this to yes and add new preset. And now we have a preset, and we have our playlist with those modifications. Let's go into a page or a post. I'll choose a page. I'll test as a title, and here we select the playlist test and the preset test. Add shortcode, update, preview changes. I apologize, my theme is a basic theme and it's not responsive as it should be, and this is why the player appears like this. So as you can see, in the playlist we have the first video. We have this enabled, use A to B loop set to yes, and here as you can see, the button appears. So let's click play, disable the volume, and now if you select this, let's just drag it, and it will loop between this 29 and 34 seconds, as if you look here. So yeah, this is how it works. So I guess this is pretty much everything I have to say about this. If you have any more suggestions about future updates, please let me know. Thank you for watching.